Want to supercharge your car's bass without the hassle of matching subs and amps? Today, we're exploring the best all-in-one subwoofer and amplifier combos that guarantee powerful bass, clean sound, and easy installation, perfect for your next car audio upgrade. Let's dive in. First up, the Rockville SK510 package brings serious value in bass punch. This kit includes a 10-inch 1200-watt subwoofer, a perfectly matched mono-block amplifier, a high-quality enclosure, and even a full amp wiring kit. It's tuned to deliver clean, punchy bass without distortion, ideal for hip-hop, EDM, and rock lovers. If you're after a complete hassle-free setup that hits hard without killing your budget, the Rockville SK510 is a fantastic choice for deep daily bass. Next, the Rockville RWS10CA is designed for those who need bass but have minimal space. This 10-inch slim subwoofer enclosure comes with a built-in 200-watt RMS amplifier, delivering tight, responsive bass that's perfect for compact vehicles. It features high-level inputs with auto turn-on, adjustable bass boost, low-pass filtering, and a remote bass knob for easy tuning. If you want a low-profile solution with surprising punch, the RWS10CA is a smart, space-saving combo. For serious bass heads, the Skar Audio SDR 1x1 2D2 package is a powerhouse setup. This combo includes a loaded single 12-inch SDR subwoofer in a premium vented enclosure paired with Skar's RP 800.1D amplifier and a full wiring kit. The sub handles 600 watts RMS, offering deep, hard-hitting bass, perfect for daily use or weekend bass battles. If you want big, clean, competition-level bass right out of the box without piecing together components, Skar's SDR package is a top-tier pick. The Rockford Fosgate Pyth 310 delivers legendary sound quality in a compact, all-in-one design. Featuring a 10-inch punch subwoofer powered by a built-in 300-watt Class D amplifier, it's housed in a durable sealed enclosure for tight, punchy bass. It includes adjustable bass boost, a low-pass crossover, a phase switch, and a remote level control. If you value clean bass response, premium construction, and reliability from a trusted brand, the Rockford P300-10 is one of the best single-unit solutions available. Finally, for stealthy installs, the Kicker 46HS10 is a game-changer. This compact-powered subwoofer features a 10-inch driver backed by a built-in 180-watt RMS amplifier. It fits under most seats and features a remote bass control, adjustable low-pass crossover, and a quick-connect power harness for easy installation. Despite its small size, the Hideaway delivers tight, impactful bass that fills the car without sacrificing cabin space. If you want bass you can hear and feel but barely see, and the Kicker Hideaway is the ultimate under-seat option. And that's our list of the top 5 best subwoofer and amp combos for deep bass in 2025. Which one will you choose? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world car audio reviews.